Assalamualaikum and good morning. I Muhammad Nazmi bin Aziz and our team Wan Amirul Syakirin bin Wan Ramli and Muhammad Aizat Syamil bin Zulkifli. So today we will present about our project in automotive component design and assembly. The tool chosen by our group for this project is a toggle clamp. Our project this time is a tool that works for holding a product used to hold a stationary workpiece in the lock position. This is especially useful for injection molding, production lines, welding applications, and more. This project, we split the task with 3 members of our team to create a drawing of this project. The parts for the product of this project are divided into 6 components, parts that needs to be complete. Among them are base, cap, connector, pin and rod. After completing the drawing parts, we made the installation according to the specified part. We made the installation and a video was recorded to show how to install this product. After the installation is done, we make an animation of the movement of this product to show how this product works to move. If the handle part is pushed, the connector will pull the rod to release the cap from holding the item. Then when the handle is pulled, the connector will push the rod to force the cap to hold the object. That's all of our presentation of this project. Thank you.